Yo, what is up you guys? Ron here and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got Celine joining us on this very special episode as we look back at 2020.
What's up you guys?
So in this week's video, we are gonna look at our top 5 favorite moment of 2020.
So much has happened this 2020.
So much has happened. Number one, we relocated to another country.
Yes.
In Thailand.
And that's been great for us so far.
It's awesome. I love Thailand.
And I guess the second one was we got into a lockdown
We got
month.
to stay home. We got to stay home for a really long time, and that is my favorite moment because I get to spend more time with you.
That's what I said just now.
Yeah.
Stealing my line.
And I also would say that we got to do so many creative stuff at home.
Yeah.
You know, and I think that is why today, most of the videos that you would watch is us doing random stuff at home because that honestly is our favorite time this year.
Yeah, doing stupid things.
So, coming in at number 5, this is what Celine calls the Flip the Switch Challenge.
Look at my awkward movement. This was our first TikTok video, by the way.
I don't even know what we were doing.
But I love how you shook it. You're like so natural.
I would say we took a really long time to shoot this because you took a very long time to convince me to download TikTok.
Yeah, like cause we were so bored and like
Yeah.
we didn't know what to do. So as a result, downloaded TikTok and then I saw this and I was like,
I gave up.
we have to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah, you know, today
And aren't you glad we did it?
I am very glad. Looking back, like I said,
See?
looking back on hindsight, this
And you look great
video
in a dress.
is our top 5 because this was the video that got us started into all of these other
I
creative
can't wear
videos.
this dress anymore. You totally ruined it for me.
Next up, coming in at number 4, this is what we call
The most dangerous video.
no, this is what we call
The one that you almost killed Celine.
the stay home drift. I did not almost kill you.
You did. Look at it. Look at. I don't know if you guys have seen the BTS of this, but as you can imagine, it's so dangerous.
No, I would say this is one of our favorite videos because you know from how we evangelize or how we imagine it to be to executing it, you know, it's amazing. You know, we managed to showcase how creative you can be at home to
Yeah.
exercise with a hammock. We found another use for hammocks and socks.
It's just dangerous.
All
He
right,
just doesn't accept it.
we will
He
show you the
almost killed
BTS since Celine requested for it. So
Yeah,
this is the
look.
behind the scenes.
Look closely. I hit my back against the wall. I could have been paralyzed, and then after that, I hit my head. That could have, you know, been brain damage.
I record after we post this video, your mom actually called me.
So much trouble.
No, okay, but I just want to say, if you look back at this footage, I honestly thought, you know, like, oh my god, Celine got injured. But when we look back at the footage, she didn't actually hit her head, either on the wall or the floor or anything. She just got a shock.
I just like to point out that
You got a shock.
your first concern was the GoPro camera.
No, it wasn't the GoPro camera. You didn't hit the GoPro camera at all.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So, this,
Moving
number 4. Number 3. This is one of our favorite video because it perfectly describes
Our lockdown life!
exactly how we felt every day. Check it out.
Oh,
And
I love this video.
This is my first ever stop motion.
Yeah.
You know, this is my first ever stop motion that I
And it's
shot
so
and
tough
edited.
to be a model for a stop motion video. I just like to add that.
Oh my goodness. We took the entire morning just to shoot this video.
Yes, and you have to show them the BTS.
Okay.
It's evidence of
Um,
you bullying me.
Alright, let's cut to the BTS. Okay.
Hold on. The leg inside. Can
Watch.
see you.
I was obviously already right
Yeah.
inside. You couldn't see my head.
Turn your head to your right.
But
I
you
mean-
keep asking me to move my head closer to the urinal.
Yeah.
Why?
I mean, I would say there are many ways to shoot the stop motion, but I guess we decided to shoot it frame by frame.
Well, why did my head have to be next to the
It
urinal?
has to be realistic, you know, we wanted to show the frame. Yeah.
Yeah, but anyway, it was tiring.
Very tiring, yeah.
This was really tiring.
I mean, it's our first ever stop motion. I think we did a great job. We did a great job.
Good job.
Yeah, it's such a great memory. So that is number 3.
And in second place, it's my personal favorite video.
Our favorite video.
It's the one where I could change outfits like that.
Because we couldn't go out,
Yeah.
we decided to do a video that allowed Celine to try out all her outfit.
I mean, like, come on. I reached Bangkok, right? And it was like less than a month. And then we had to go into lockdown. And I had all these clothes with me. And every day I was just wearing like t-shirt and like
Pajamas
shorts.
every day.
Yeah, like,
Pajamas all day,
I was
every
so
day.
upset. So then, I saw this video on TikTok as usual. And I was like, oh yeah, let's try to do this too.
So this is our rendition called I'm Bored.
Okay, I'm bored in the house.
And I really love the music.
Bored in the house, and I'm in the house bored.
I-
Bored in the motherfucker in the house.
This is the
bored.
best.
This is the best video ever.
Yeah.
Bored in the house, bored in the
The
house, bored.
best.
Bored.
I think one of the most
The
interesting thing
transition
as
is so
well
cool.
is that we actually won a GoPro award for this. Celine won her first GoPro award in this video. Amazing.
I love it. I love everything, the execution and everything.
I love it.
And how like Ron, is that BTS? Please show
Alright,
me
okay,
BTS.
let's cut to the BTS.
Again, BTS showing how he bullies.
I was just trying to make it realistic. Like Celine said, we were trying to match the transitions,
Yeah.
the timing of her jumping in the air and changing the
But you
outfit.
had too much fun throwing everything in my face.
That's true. I had a lot of fun. But I love you so much.
Stop hugging me! It didn't solve everything.
And that is number 2. And for our favorite video of 2020, I think some of you already know my favorite video. This one is what we call Bathtub Adventure.
I love the name.
I love this video. I really love it.
Where can I buy this bathtub?
It's the magical bathtub.
Excuse me, uncle.
And I think what inspired me to edit this video or tell Celine to join me on this crazy bathroom adventure was that we actually went to Surin Island. It's a beautiful national park here in Thailand 1 week before the lockdown actually happened. So as I was looking through the footage, wanting to edit it, I was saying, hey, what if we went through a magical portal known as our bathtub
Yep.
back to Surin Island?
Yeah, but can I just say, filming this like in the bathtub in our little room was a nightmare. As you can see, the bathtub here is tiny.
Okay, let's cut to some BTS.
And like, how the hell did both of us fit inside? It was freaking ridiculous.
And that is why I didn't go in the bathtub in the end. I was standing outside the bathtub and you were in the bathtub and we tried to do a duck dive.
Yeah, the duck dive was a mess.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think
We had a lot of fun. Look at it. Look at us. Look at the behind the scenes here as we are shooting the video. I mean, I would just say that, being stuck in a small apartment didn't stop us from being creative.
I think it kind of like
Forces
forced
us.
us to be more creative, to find more things to do with our spare time.
Exactly.
And that's great, yeah.
And that it really is amazing. And that for me, like, as I was talking to you, as we look back at 2020, out of all of the moments that we had, even recently we got to travel to some places, I found that, I still look back at 2020 and one of my most memorable moments is the time that we stayed at home. And I am so happy
My
that...
most memorable moment is you!
Yeah, exactly. And I am so happy that we actually did something with our time at home. We shot some videos, we tried something out, and we learned something new.
Yeah,
Exactly.
100% agree with you. I have
And-
no inspirational things to add on. I just agree with you.
Thank you. And that's it for this week's video, you guys. We hope that you have enjoyed reliving our top 5 favorite moments of 2020. So, drop in a comment and let us know what do you guys think of our favorite moments. Until then, we will see you guys in the next upload.
And don't
Bye.
forget to like, subscribe, and share!
Bye!
Do you think we could be lovers forever? Can't I, 'cause I've got to live with you